Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, mark Wallpapers, and here choose the photo that you want to cover your screen with. You can go with one from classic live wallpapers, Sublime wallpapers, Sleek, Arial, and so on. You can also go to your own album and pick some photo from your own pictures, but let me go for example with this one. Now mark apply to, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Here you can use or deactivate depth option. So as you can see here, you've got the temperature a bit hidden. You can also change the style here. You can blur it also if you wish, and if you like it on both, just mark apply. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.